Hi, my name is Jordan and we're here at the Armstrong at Knox. I'm about to give you a tour of this unique walkable community. Let's go check it out. Here at the center of Cole and Knox Street sits this luxury boutique style community, the Armstrong at Knox. The apartment homes here offer city living with the space and feel of a home. The apartments here at Armstrong at Knox really feel like home. Each kitchen comes equipped with tons of counter space for cooking and storage for all of your household appliances. All apartments have solid oak terrace floors throughout and warm finishes to really give you that homey feel. Closet space at Armstrong at Knox will never be an issue. You have closet number 1 and closet number 2. In select apartment homes, you have 2 full-size walk-in closets in each master. Wow. I definitely love this patio. That's the number one thing that I look for when looking for an apartment is the size of the patio. One of the amenities here at the Armstrong at Knox is this awesome fitness center. You have kettlebells and free weights up to 50 pounds, which you won't find at most apartments. And check out these brand new Peloton bikes they just put in. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Get this down to my level. There's plenty of places here at the Armstrong at Knox to unwind after a long day. You can hang out poolside by the fire pit or chill here in this quiet courtyard. The Armstrong at Knox is so accessible. You have tons of retail and restaurants right downstairs. And talk about convenience. You have Trader Joe's literally right there. I just can't walk by Trader Joe's and not go in. And if you want to get some fresh air and an outdoor workout, we're just one street over from the Katy Trail. You have 3.5 miles worth of trail if you want to walk your dog, take a bike ride, or go for a run. As you can see, there are so many things about the Armstrong at Knox that make it amazing. If you want to be at the center of it all, but still feel like you're at home, click on the link below to schedule your private tour. But as for now, I'm going to hang out here and enjoy happy hour.